Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, welcome to my May Saturday stitching. This month the theme is flowers, so get out your flowers. It doesn't have to be cross stitch, whatever you're working on. And yeah, we're going to be working up in here. And the color today is 600. I did get this from AliExpress back in March, and it is 100 centimeters by 60 centimeters, 11 count. And that is the beautiful pink that we're using. It's almost got an orange tint to it, but we're going to call it pink today. Got to have my thimble today because, yeah, I did a bunch of 14 count yesterday. Oh, let me pull you in. And, yeah, it's called, yeah, that finger's been stabbed enough for 1 week. For sure. Didn't end up doing too much yesterday. I had to go do the laundry. Didn't get the trash out because the wind was blowing so dang hard. I barely got the laundry back in the house, so yeah. I guess that'll happen today. No biggie. But did the laundry and came back and stitched on the peacock for, oh, probably a good hour, maybe 2. I tried to go and sit outside, but the wind was just too much, and yeah. So I sat in my rocking chair and listened to music and took a nap. I know, it's exciting crap around here. And what else did I do? I stitched on the hairpins, of course. Got to put a few stitches in it, even if I don't spend all day doing it. I tried to work on the Tang Dynasty, but yeah, my hand was not having it at all, so no clue what I'm going to be stitching on. Maybe I'll put some more stitches into this today. Now next Saturday starts a new month, and the theme for next month is travel, so you can take that however you want. Stitch on towns, you can stitch on a picture like of a village or a city, or, you know, just whatever that means to you. I do have those ones from, oh, what am I going to say? London. We have London, San Francisco, London again, New Orleans, and what else do we have? We have Venice. I also have the beach thing. It's a 14 count. And I have those little pictures from Spain, so expect to see some of those come out or get started if they're not already started. Thank you everyone for getting me to 5,000 subscribers. Yay! Well, starting next Wednesday, I will start an extravaganza. So if you don't know the drill, each day you will get 2 numbers. You collect the numbers. You don't put them in the comment section. And on the following Tuesday, I will draw. And by the 2 numbers, I do mean, if you don't know what that means, each day that I do a stitch with me, I will give you 2 numbers. And you'll collect 10 numbers in 5 days, and then we'll have the drawing. So Wednesday through Monday. Is that 5 days? I hope that is. And I hope I explained that well enough. And then on Tuesday, I'll have you put all, Tuesday, I'm sorry. On Monday, I will have you put all the numbers in the order that you got them. And I will make sure that all the numbers are in the correct order. I will put everybody's name into a hat or cup or whatever I'm drawing from. And I will pull 5 winners. So, yeah, because I'm excited. Just thrilled. It seems like it took it long enough to get to 5,000, but we are there. I kind of waited a couple of days to say anything because, you know, let's see if it sticks. So I think I'm at 512, maybe? 5,012. Oh, you silly dilly thing. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. Yeah, that was not going back into the needle, for sure. So yeah, I'm excited to have a drawing, and that is worldwide, so everybody can, I ship everywhere that I possibly can. I mean, I don't know of any restrictions or anything from the post office. So at one point we had a what do you call it, restriction on Australia for some reason. I don't know what that was about. I never know. I just go with it. But if there is any issue, I will get back to you through email and let you know what's going on. So yeah, so everybody can participate. Whoa, I knew that was going to happen, right? Holy cow, freaked myself out. Come on, I thought I got a decent enough needle that it would go through the material, but some days it all just gives me fits. So the grand plans for this weekend that I know of, nobody said anything, so I'll just stay at home and stitch and watch Netflix or YouTube, and yeah, I can do that. It doesn't bother me at all. Hopefully I won't have to go to the grocery store. Thought about making a meatloaf, because I actually have everything for that, so I don't have to go get anything. Man, that grocery store on the weekend is a nightmare. So what's everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun. Something that you like to work with. I mean, it doesn't have to be cross stitch. I'm real open-minded, man, because I have been down so many roads between quilting, knitting, crocheting, mixed media, cross stitch, stamped and counted. I haven't done that in a while. Yeah, my brain's just not there. Not today. Beaded cross stitch. What else have I done? Embroidery. I've done landscape painting. I've done wood cutouts. Yeah, just lots and lots of stuff. So, oh, needlepoint, latch hook. Even tried tatting one time. That didn't go over well. My grandmother and I decided to do that one day, and neither one of us could understand the stupid instructions, so Yeah, I think it's more something that you have to be with somebody that knows exactly what they're doing. Because, yeah, I sure didn't. We didn't get it at all, so we moved on. So at 67 years old, I taught her how to crochet. And she just went to town. Where did I put the scissors? This thing's kind of wide and a little bit stiff. This is a Mona Lisa kit, by the way. I don't know if I said that. So, yeah. And it's really coming along. I'm not sure where to stitch where y'all can see what I'm doing. Does anybody get to go anywhere this weekend? Are they having any, we'll call them, events or activities where you live? Like because sometimes they have summer festivals and they have, I don't know that it's time for it, strawberry festivals and farmers markets. We have a farmers market, but I wouldn't get too carried away. It's not anything. We used to have a farmers market. Where the heck was I? I think it was in Kansas. Had to have been. And they had, a lot of people there trying to sell their vegetables and fruits and stuff. So that was pretty cool. I'd never been to one. So that one wasn't real huge either, so I've never been to a real big one. 100 years ago, there's a place, and I don't know that it still exists, in Denver called Brighton Farms, up by the town of Brighton. And it was a great big, I want to call it a Quonset hut, full of fruits and vegetables and that kind of thing. Yeah, we bought about 19 crates of stuff, and we blanched and we canned and we cut up, and oh my god, for like a week and a half. I never seen so much stuff in my life. I don't know what I was thinking. Of course, I was, 22? Yeah. More energy than I know what to do with. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. Alright, let me come on, just get anchored. And then I'm going to turn this around. Try to flatten it out. I had it in my hand there. Let me pull you down. There we go. I got my pretty little pink needle minder here. Needle threader minder. So yeah, it needs some more dark over here in this corner. So we'll see how that all comes out. And I don't think there's any, I don't know, I can't see now, any back stitching at all. So not real sure on that. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today, and thank you for getting me to 5,000 subscribers. Sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.